No, we gotta leave our hat on. Okay, never mind. Let me have that hat. Are you having fun? What are you doing with that stick? Are you looking at your shoes? Where's your shoes? No, that's a wood. Mulch. That's a leaf. Leaf? That's Bogart inside. Oh, there's Grandmama. What are you doing? Are you trying to put a different lead on him? So here you go, Bogart. I'll put you a new one on. Bogart, sit. Good girl, you almost got it. Oh, you want him to wear the orange one? Orange one's short. He doesn't want to wear that one.
Clean it, kiss it, put a band-aid on it, all better. Whoops! She jumped as high as she could, but couldn't clear it. Ouch! Clean it, kiss it, put a band-aid on it, all better. Oh dear, Elephant got scared and ran away right onto her trunk. Clean it, kiss it, put a band-aid on it.
What are you doing, crazy? Uh-oh. Now stand up. No. Clementine. Mommy's gonna get you. I want to get you. You better run. Clementine. Clementine. Go
Clementine? What does this say? That's right, an elephant goes... Yeah, it's an elephant.
Hey, where's your cow?
Where's your cow? Where's your cow? Yeah, moo.
Elephant goes and a cow says moo. Hey, Clementine, where's your horse?
Where is it? Where's your horse?
Where's the horse at?
Horse.
Is it over there?
Clementine, what's over there? Where's your horse?
Is that the horse?
Oh, is the horse going that?
Hey, where's your shark? Where's the shark? You see it? She's sitting on it. Oh, can I see your shark?
You are in some serious jelly.
And the jam. Up the tree. Lost in the grass. I'll tell you what's
Yeah, that's what caribou say. Ooh.